Hello everyone. We'll continue polynomial today also. So here is one question. You can read it. So the question is, what should be added to 5x to get 8x? So if I say like this, what should be added to 5 apples to get 8 apples, then you can easily say you already have got 5 apples over here, supposing x as apple, so you need to have 8 apples altogether. So you already have got 5, so 6, 7, 8. You can easily say you need 3 more apples, that means x, to get 8x. It's quite simple, isn't it? So with the same concept, we are going to solve other bigger problems here. For solving higher problems, what we will do is that we will suppose, so here is the question, what should be added, isn't it? That's why in case of this, we will suppose a variable k. It's very wise to suppose k, because the variables x and y are already used in the polynomial. We cannot use the same variable which have been already used by the question. Okay, so k should be added to 5x. So k should be added to means added means plus to 5x. So here is 5x to get. So instead of to get, you write equal sign to get 8x. So in this way we can solve this problem. So we can write this, let k should be added to 5x to get 8x, then k plus 5x equals to 8. Here k is added to 5x, then the result will be 8x. So solving this problem, or k equals to, we need the value of k, so we'll keeping this in the left hand side, equals to, here is already 8x. So whenever we shift any quantity from equal sign to the left or right, we change the sign of that quantity. So 5x becomes minus 5x over here. So therefore k equals to 8x minus 5x means 3x. So in this way we calculate the value of. But solving this type of equation, we can solve like this also. So here is k plus 5x equals to 8x, just for a concept. Or k, we need the value of k, and we don't need this 5x in left hand side, isn't it? That's why. So it's plus 5x over here, and it's 8x in the right hand side. So we need to subtract this 5x to make this 5x 0 in left hand side. So say minus 5x, so equals to 8. If we keep balance in this equation, then we need to subtract 5x from right hand side also. So this 5x and 5x cancel out, therefore k equals to 8x minus 5x is 3x. In this way also we can solve, but this is the concept how or why I have made here minus 5x. Simply you can just remember the rule, whenever we shift any terms from left hand side to right hand side to other side, then we simply change the sign of that term. Now let us discuss the question that we need to solve in this grade, in this class. So the question is, what should be added to 2x square plus 3x plus 1 to get 3x square plus 2x minus 5? Now suppose this, take this as 5x previously and take this as 8x. Now what should be added? So we suppose this what as k. So let k should be added to this 5x, let's say. Suppose this as 5x because we have supposed this as 5x over here to get this one, this polynomial. Okay, so then it becomes k plus this polynomial equals to this. So whenever k is added to this term or this polynomial, we will get this polynomial. And I have already told you to take help of this example. If you understand this example well, then you can easily solve this type of question. So I want you to suppose this as 5x and this as 8x. So k plus 5x equals to 8x. So here what we have did here, so k equals to 8x. So whenever 5x goes to this side, it's negative of 5x because it's positive here, isn't it? So similarly we will take these terms, this polynomial as a single term, and we will consider this polynomial as a single term. That will be quite easier. So we can write here k equals to this polynomial 3x square plus 2x minus 5. So it's positive, so taking this term to this side, it will be negative of 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So keeping brackets here will help a lot, because here are other terms also. Treating or solving these terms individually will be quite difficult. That's why you just put bracket, and it will be quite easy for you guys to solve this type of problem. So it is 8x, it is like 5x, isn't it? Now this question will help up to here. Now we need to solve this by our previous knowledge. So let us solve this. K equals to, now let us open the bracket. Here is no, any sign is not given here, it's positive sign, let's say. So the bracket gets simply opened here, 3x square plus 2x minus 5, negative sign. While opening the bracket with negative sign, it changes the sign of the terms inside the bracket. So this 2x square becomes minus 2x square plus 3x becomes minus 3x, yes. And you say what this plus 1 becomes? Minus 1, exactly. Now our work is to find the like terms. So while finding the like terms, we will see the degree. Same variable, they are in same variable. We'll see the degree and we will find the like terms. So 3x square and 2x square, they are the like terms. 2x and minus 3x, they are the like terms. And 5 and 1 constant term, they are the like terms. So keeping like terms together, we get 3x square minus 2x, isn't it? So plus 2x and plus 2x, this it's 2x square here, and this 2x is here. So like term of 2x is minus 3x. Similarly, if minus 5, its like term is minus 1. Now simply doing the simplification, therefore k equals to, so these two are like terms, so they have different sign gets subtracted. So 3 minus 2 is 1, so we'll not write like 1, we'll write only x squared, because 3 apples minus 2 apples equals to only 1 apple. But here the 3 is the greater number among these two, and it has the positive sign, so it's positive x squared. So in case of 2x minus 3x, different sign is get subtracted. So 3 and 2, its difference is x only. 3 is greater number, so it has the negative sign, so write negative here. So minus 5 and minus 1, So they have the same sign are always added. 5 plus 1 is 6, but they are of negative sign, so it's negative of 6, isn't it? So one thing you mind here, you keep in your mind, students. So while grouping this, or while making the group of like terms, see, 2x square, it has got negative sign in front of it, so you have to take that sign. Whatever the sign each term has in front of it, you need to write that sign in front of it always. So we got the value of k over here. So in this way, we calculate the value of k. It's in standard form. The degree of x square is 2, and its x is 1, and 6 is 0, 2, 1, 0. It's in standard form in decreasing order of degree. So hence, the value of k is this, should be added to this to get this. So that is, as before example, therefore hence 3x should be added to 5x to get 8x, like suppose it's becoming like that, isn't it?